So I was recently under the hood checking out the serpentine belt. It had a squeak in it. And this video will not be about a serpentine belt, but instead how to manipulate these little plastic screws. If you're here watching this video, you probably have that same question. How do you get these out and how do you put them back in? In my particular model of vehicle, we've got this plastic case with these little plastic screws that go over it. So once we'll go ahead and get the plastic cover off of there, and this covers the air intake. And keep in mind, I'm not a mechanic whatsoever. I'm just a DIYer. But I do occasionally lift this off to check the serpentine belt if there's a squeak or anything like that. And in this particular vehicle, there's several plastic clips, and so I found it useful to figure out how these operate so you don't damage them accidentally or snap a piece. They're brittle, especially if they're older. So let me show you kind of how this operates. So there's a little round piece and a plastic screw that sits basically inside. And as the screw pulls up or away from that little round plastic black piece, the feet, so to speak, will kind of come together. Think like a tripod for a camera, right? They'll press together. But if the screw head is pushed all the way down and making contact with that black circle, then the tripod feet, so to speak, will be extended and not be able to pinch together. And you need them to pinch together in order for that screw piece to come out and back out, enough for you to move, to take the entire piece out. So here's a closer look. You can see here we've got the screw pulled away from the black circle, and that will allow those feet to compress. So when you're putting the screw in, you definitely want to have that screw head separated from the back circle while you depress it. And that will allow you to put it in like that successfully, and then you can turn it clockwise to secure it. Okay, now to take it out, you want to back that little screw head off a little bit with your fingernail or a screwdriver, and it does come all the way out if you give it enough pressure like that. But you don't need to pull it all the way out, just enough, about yay far, for those little feet to compress. So we'll go ahead and put that one back in and push it all the way down and then tighten it up. And hopefully this video's helped you out. Thanks so much.